Leaving without saying. Leaving without saying what.
Servus und herzlich willkommen bei Baking Bikes.
Likes don't hurt. Welcome to Baking Bikes. Today we have this beautiful Univega Carbon frame in such a nice color, blue, black and white. And I built this one for a friend.
Und ich bekomm's zum Glück.
Das ist mein Kumpel Andy, der nimmt heute das Fahrrad mit.
Servus.
We want to use the Fox fork for this frame. I have one problem. I ordered a headset with 42 millimeters. It doesn't fit because this is a very seldom diameter of 41. It's a full integrated headset. I have to take another order for the right one. Now I have got it and I hope we get this nice fork in this wonderful frame. This is a part of the headset and now it's fitting the gloves. Glove. I wouldn't get too dirty. Cream on. Don't forget the compression ring. That looks very nice. Matching color. Here it is, a blue head cap. What a nice frame with this fork. It's time for the bottom bracket. It's a Shimano Outtakes bottom bracket and crankset. This bike will get a drivetrain 1x10. Das geht auch immer von einer Richtung. Disable. This is the crankset, but I will change the chain ring because this is only a 32 chain ring. It's not enough speed for us. We need more speed. Here we got a 38 chain ring for more speed. Wind of change. I have not enough power. Oh, yeah. New 38 chain ring. Get it on the bike. We need the spacer. It's too close. I need a spacer. And spacer on the other side. Spacer on the. Take me to the other side. Tighten up. The second chance. Everybody needs a second chance. Every crankset needs a second chance. Here it is, the back derailleur. It's a Shimano 10-speed back derailleur. Zip. Now I need the bar. Maybe the bar is too wide. It's 750. Maybe in this case I will cut it off. I will test it on the first or second or third test ride. My friend would take this or highest brakes, and I proudly buy this new Magura MT5 brakes. I'm very happy about his decision. New brake discs. Oh. A shiny, nice disc. 10-speed cassette. Crease und da da ba. So. Maybe we have a problem. I only buy Shimano disc brake adapter. It can be I need a Magura disc brake adapter. We will see. I tested with this adapter, maybe it works. On this brakes it's possible to change the rings in a matching color. I will do this later. Woohoo! I need some clipsies. It's too long. I have to cut off the brake cable. It's too long. Pin. Take me to the other side. It's time for the truth. Fit the disc brake adapter or not? I need a quick start release. Quickie. I need a quickie release. Yes, pass. Oh no, not fitting. I need Magura adapter. I can't get a bike today ready. I place an order. My fault. This should be the right adapter. I haven't to order something. I tried this one. I think I used the wrong adapter. It's only for 160 millimeters, and this is one for the 180. Next try. Oh, whoa. That looks nice. Nice one. I order a new Magura rear adapter. I mount the chain and the trigger. The bike is then nearly finished. White cable housing matching to the frame and the fork. For faster shifting, looping. Who's the king of the loops? Who's the king of the noobs? Cables are finished. Here we've got a KMZ chain, silver and black. Good. Chain on chain. Chain on you, chain on me. Let's finish this bike. Go! Shorten the bar. The length is too wide for this bike. I will reduce it to 700 millimeters. Too long. One side. Easy. Cutting bars in a fast way. I'm switching the brake adapter to Magura. Magura. Blue zip ties. Clipsies. On my test ride I have some problems with the back there area. Now checking the hanger. I have a trick with a old wheel. Okay. I adjust the back there area. Now I put on grips, pedals, seat post and saddle, chain protector and a little detail. Let's go. First, chain protector. Pedals. Here are the little detail colorful rings for the brakes. These little plastic rings are very expensive, about 10 euros. Rings of fire. I love details on the bike. I changed the seat post. It's carbon fiber 2 and the saddle in a matching color. Here is it. Carbon fiber seat post and a matching saddle. I loop the seat post. This is the last part. After this is the bike finished. No. Huh? We have white and blue bike components. The problem on white components is they get very fast dirty. In German I would say fertig, finish. Now outdoor pictures and videos.
Vielen Dank fürs Reinklickern.
Thanks for clicking in. Likes don't hurt. Goodbye. Or auf Wiedersehen.
Make it rain, make it pour. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam.
Today we have the today we have this bring it together. What is bring it together to bring? Matching with this? With this is matching. Wie bitte? I take this bike for me. Der Rare hier.
Ciao, Kakao.
Ja.